Right, we just arrived in camp. This is us for the night, and we'll start getting set up and get a bit of food on the go shortly. Found a nice wee spot up the hill, a bit uneven, but we've managed to level the vehicle up with a couple of boards. Right, we're just gonna get the old bed sorted out for camp, so drop these seats down, get the bed made up, and get into it. So, we've got the old drawer system here, we've got the mattress, got another board under here which basically slides over the front, gives a nice sleeping platform. That'll be us sorted for the night. There's the sleep platform set up. Thanks for joining us on this trip, and we'll see you in the next one.